हेलो एंड वेलकम टू बैंकिंग बाइट्स एंड आई एम कुश पांडे। पिछली बार हमने डिस्कस किया था अबाउट शेयर्स, स्टॉक एंड स्टेक। आज हम बात करते हैं उसी का एक एक्सटेंशन। लेट्स फोकस ऑन द शेयर्स एंड द टाइप्स ऑफ शेयर्स। As discussed earlier, a share is the smallest unit of a stock. The total number of shares is called as a stock and one unit of a stock is called as a share. एक यूनिट को हम कहेंगे शेयर। अगर इसे परिभाषित करें, if we discuss this particular concept through the Companies Act, then according to Section 2 of Companies Act 2013, shares are the smallest unit of stock. Similarly, if we discuss through the other sections of the Companies Act, a share is also called as a movable property. तो सवाल यहाँ पर बनेगा कि एक शेयर को हम movable property क्यों कहते हैं? The simple reason is this particular property, this particular share can be transferred from one shareholder to the other. So in this regard, in the regard of a share, it is also called as a movable property because it could be easily transferred from one to the other. Somebody sells the share and somebody purchases or buys the share. So the second point to be noted in the properties of share is, first, it is the smallest unit of stock and second, it is treated as a movable property जिसको आप freely ट्रांसफर कर सकते हैं फ्रॉम वन बायर टू द सेलर, फ्रॉम सेलर टू द बायर, जो कि यहाँ पर लिखा हुआ है। नाउ लेट्स कम टू द क्रूशियल पॉइंट, लेट्स कम बैक टू द टॉपिक एंड द टॉपिक वाज द टाइप्स ऑफ शेयर्स। इन द बेसिक सेंस, a share is of two types. Number one, we have the equity share and number two, we have the preference shares. Now, what is equity? With regards to the stock exchange, अगर हम बात करें stock exchange की, equity is the value of any share. That is called as a share. So if equity is the value of any share, then equity share is any share or any ordinary share. देखिए स्क्रीन पे लिखा भी होगा कि equity share is the value of any share or equity shares are also called as ordinary shares. इस बात को समझिएगा कि equity का एक अलग एक मतलब है और अगर हम दोनों को एक साथ बोलें, that is equity share, it is called as an ordinary share. Now, if equity share is an ordinary share, then what are the qualities of the equity share? अगर equity share एक ordinary share है, तो इसकी खासियत या इसकी qualities क्या होंगी? तो आइए देखते हैं। Because equity share is an ordinary share, it represents the ownership in a company. जाहिर सी बात है, चाहे वो शेयर प्रेफरेंस ही क्यों ना हो, इक्विटी क्यों ना हो, चाहे ऑर्डिनरी हो चाहे स्पेशल हो, वो रिप्रेजेंट करेगा कि उस कंपनी में एक पीस ऑफ ओनरशिप उस पर्टिकुलर कस्टमर के पास है। But the important thing is that if you have an equity share, you may or may not get a dividend. Now, what is a dividend? Dividend is the share of profit that a company offers to its shareholders. जब एक कंपनी अपने मुनाफे से कुछ हिस्सा अपने कस्टमर्स को ऑफर करती है, बांटती है, that particular money, that particular profit would be called as a dividend. So with regards to the equity share, dividend may or may not be given. It is optional. Number one, but the highlight is that if you have an equity share, then you have your say, then you have a voting right in a company. So in a nutshell, equity share is an ordinary share through which the shareholder may or may not be provided with a dividend, but by having an equity share, you have a very important function in a company, that is, you have the voting rights. That is the first part, guys. The second part that we'll discuss is the preference shares. Now, with this particular word, जो लोग जिनकी अंग्रेजी थोड़ी भी ठीक है, they will understand the preference means in हिंदी प्राथमिकता, priority over the others. यहाँ पर जो प्रायोरिटी है दैट इज ऑफ द डिविडेंड। तो आप स्क्रीन में देख सकते हैं, प्रेफरेंस शेयर्स आर दो शेयर्स in which the dividend is paid before the equity shares. Such a share would be called as a preference share. मैं फिर से रिपीट कर दूं आपके लिए, preference shares guys are those shares in which the dividend is paid before the equity shares. Such a share would be called as a preference shares. Now this is the quality, but there is a drawback or there is a disadvantage of a preference share. Yes, we agree that you are preferred for the dividend. आपको इक्विटी शेयर से पहले डिविडेंड मिलेगा, पर because you are preferred, you are not allowed any voting rights. So the first difference between equity and a preference share is that in an equity share, the dividend is optional, but the voting right is permanent. But in a preference share, unlike a equity share, the dividend is preferred, but the voting right is not allowed. Such a share, guys, would be called as a preference share. But there is another difference between a preference and an equity. For example, a company goes bankrupt. एक कंपनी का दिवालिया निकल गया है, for example, Kingfisher. At that point of time, the authority or the priority over the profits, the priority over the payments would be of the preferred shares and then of the preference shares and then of the equity share. तो जब जब एक कंपनी बैंकरप्ट होगी तो जो पहला हक होगा इन दोनों में से वो आपका हक होगा of preference shares and then equity shares. So I'll again repeat, sir. As and when a company goes bankrupt, the first preference over the payments, over the profits would be of the preference shares and then it would be of the equity shares. Having said this, remember, in terms of the overall preference, the order is number 1 debenture, number 2 preference share and number 3 equity share. तो अगर एक कंपनी दिवालिया होती है, कंपनी के पेमेंट को बांटना है, the first priority would be given to a debenture. But if we compare among the shares in the shareholders, it would be given first to the preference shares and then it would be given to the equity shares. यहाँ पर इस बात को याद रखिएगा. पर overall, number 1 debentures preferred, then preference shares, and then we have the equity shares. Now let's quickly move forward to the types of preference shares. As of now, everybody has an idea that in an equity share, you have the advantage of voting right. In a preference share, you have the advantage of dividends. A type of preference share that gives you an option to convert the preference share to an equity share so that you can have a voting right. Such a type of preference share would be called as an or a convertible preference share. तो इस बात को समझिएगा ध्यान से. एक ऐसा प्रेफरेंस शेयर जिसमें एक समय के बाद आपके पास ऑप्शन है कि आप कन्वर्ट करो from the preference to the equity. Remember, this is not vice versa. आप एक ही बार कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं और वो भी from preference to equity. Equity से वापस आपका preference नहीं होगा. Such a share would be called as a convertible preference share. So when there is a type of preference share that can be converted after a fixed duration to an equity share and not vice versa, such a share would be called as a convertible preference share. Then we have the second part, that is cumulative. Before discussing the second part, guys, that is the cumulative preference share, remember one thing. Whether it is the equity share or it is the preference share, if the dividend is provided, only then the dividend would be given to the preference share and then to equity share. मैं फिर समझाऊंगा आपको. जब डिविडेंड दिया जाएगा तभी प्रेफरेंस शेयर को दिया जाएगा और फिर उसके बाद दिया जाएगा इक्विटी शेयर को. पर इमेजिन करिए कि इफ अ कंपनी डज नॉट हैव अ प्रॉफिट, दैट मीन्स दैट द डिविडेंड दैट वाज ड्यू टू द प्रेफरेंस शेयर would be left unpaid. Similarly, when the company makes a profit, it would pay the dividend when it makes a profit. यहां पर बात समझिएगा कि according to a particular share, there is a contract in which states whether the company offers a dividend, whether a company makes a profit, you will be given the total dividend promised as per the contract. अगर लिखा है कॉन्ट्रैक्ट में कि हर 6 महीने पर आपको डिविडेंड मिलेगा, without any reason or without a reason, in that particular 6 month, the company was unable to make a profit. At that time, the dividend would not be paid. but as and when the company makes a profit, it has to pay the dividend of the previous 6 months and the current 6 months. एग्जाम्पल के तौर पर अगर एक कंपनी ए है, उसने कहा है हर 6 महीने पर वो उस प्रेफरेंस शेयर होल्डर को डिविडेंड देगी। पहले 6 महीने में उसे प्रॉफिट नहीं हुआ, डिविडेंड जारी नहीं किया गया। अगले 6 महीने प्रॉफिट हुआ तो डिविडेंड जारी हुआ। इन दिस रिगार्ड, if the profit has been earned, that company has to provide not only the dividend of the current 6 months but also of the previous 6 months. It has to pay the paid dividend and also the unpaid dividend that it did not pay to the company, to the customer in the previous 6 months. तो यहाँ पर देखिए लिखा हुआ है कि if we have a particular preference share in which the payment of the paid and the payment of the unpaid dividend is given in full, such a particular share would be called as a cumulative. मतलब भले आप आज पेमेंट ना करो, अगर आपने कमिट किया है, जब आप पेमेंट करोगे डिविडेंड का, तो जितना भी पिछला आपका बैकलॉग है, all the previous unpaid dividends should be also provided to this particular share, that is a cumulative preference share. Similarly, we have an opposite. For example, in the first 12 months, you have a contract that the company will pay in the first 6 months a dividend and then in the next 6 months. Because of loss of profit or less profit, the company was unable to pay the dividend in the first 6 months. But since the company made a profit in the next 6 months, it paid you a dividend. If you have a preference share in which you will only be paid a dividend when the company wants to do so, and all the previous unpaid dividends will not be paid, such a share would be called as a non-cumulative preference share. मतलब उसमें जो बैकलॉग है, जो अनपेड पैसा है आपका डिविडेंड का, उसको नहीं दिया जाएगा। जब जब डिविडेंड जारी होगा तभी आपको मिलेगा। That is a non-cumulative. So cumulative means when you are paid every dividend, whether it is paid this month or the previous backlogs of dividends. But non-cumulative is in which only the dividend of the current quarter, current 6 months is paid. That is called as a non-cumulative. And then let's come to the last part, guys, that is participatory. Just to encourage maximum investors to purchase preference shares, just to motivate the investors to purchase more and more preference shares, they offer a participation clause. वो क्या ऑफर करते हैं guys? They offer a participation clause. According to this particular clause, they in writing suggest and provide the investor that if you purchase such a preference share, you'll be paid the dividend like the other preference shares, but also we will give you an additional payment of dividend, and that payment would be taken from the portion that has been required or reserved for the equity share. For example, अगर 100 रुपए प्रॉफिट हुआ और 20 रुपए का प्रेफरेंस शेयर डिविडेंड था और 10 रुपए का डिविडेंड था आपका इक्विटी शेयर का, अगर आपने खरीदा है एक पार्टिसिपेटरी प्रेफरेंस शेयर, वहां पर आपको 20 रुपए तो मिलेंगे. You'll also get a portion of the 10 rupees that has been kept as a reserve for the equity share. So a preference share in which there is a participatory clause which provides you an additional payment over the dividend offered, and that payment would be done from a portion of the equity share reserve जो कि equity share वालों को पे करना था. जाहिर सी बात है, if we have such a luxury, if we have such a service, the price or the price value of the participatory shares would be much more higher. यहाँ पर इसको परचेस करने के लिए और प्रेफरेंस शेयर से इसका प्राइस आपका ज्यादा होगा. सो ये था डिस्कशन हमारा अबाउट द इक्विटी शेयर, अबाउट द प्रेफरेंस शेयर्स. रिमेंबर, कन्वर्टेबल मीन्स व्हेन यू कन्वर्ट फ्रॉम प्रेफरेंस टू इक्विटी. Cumulative means when you are paid all the dividends, whether it was unpaid before or it is paid today, all the dividends. In the non-cumulative, you are only paid the dividend when the company pays so. All the previous unpaid dividends will not be paid if they are not paid. Then we have participatory, in which due to participation clause you are paid additional dividend, and that dividend is taken from the portion of the equity share dividend. So these are the types of shares. I hope in the minimum time possible I am able to express and discuss all the types of shares, whether it is the equity or the preference shares. You can mail your queries on my email ID, that is kush.pandey@adda247.com, or you can write in the comment section so that we can discuss and solve all your queries. This is Kush Pandey signing out from this Banking Bites. Meet you tomorrow with again in this particular show. Peace out.